All right, we're here with Garry Walsh. Congratulations on third place. Tell us a little bit about your day and how your car ran.
Oh, the car ran really good today. This course that we ran this afternoon was fantastic for this type of muscle car, and the times are really quick. It was wide open. The qualifying courses are a little tighter, a little harder, a little more technical, but once you got to this, it was fantastic.
Awesome. Well, the car sounded great, looked great out there. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.